I look stupid.
I remember that feeling. It goes away eventually.
Tries to fly away, and the other watches so close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all.
Hey,
There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all.
I feel
I won't let
done something that
go of your hand.
I'm sorry. I definitely overshot.
Wait.
One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The sky's overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worse. I'll believe it all. There's
So, if
nothing
you ever tell anyone about this, I'm never speaking to you again. Sound good?
Yeah,
I won't.
Awesome. Bye. Why am I such an idiot? Why am I such an idiot?
Hey, Jax. About yesterday. I'm sorry if I cried too hard or made you feel uncomfortable.
What? What are you talking about? Oh, you know none of that was real, right? What? That corny backstory out of a Hallmark? Nah. Really got you, though.
Hey, wanna team up?
Nah, I'm teaming up with Kaufmo. Maybe next time, though.
You wanna team up?
Nah, I'm with Kaufmo.
Never going to
What is there for us to
let go
possibly talk
of
about?
that
No,
wire.
just
He says
whatever's
that
going
he
on between us. Can we
won't,
just stop
but
this?
he's
I
just
miss
a
talking to you.
liar.
We're here. We're talking. What else do you want from me?
I just want to be friends again.
What? So you can pry into my personal life and hold it over my head?
Tries to fly away, and the
Fixated on that
other
night. Nothing happened.
watches and
Beating into things when there's
glows from
nothing
that
there. No one's using me. You're
He says he
manipulating
wants to as well, but he is a liar.
Believe you.
Two birds
Till it's too late.
on a wire.
You're not looking too good.
Tries to fly away,
You gonna cry?
and the
Looking like this?